Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an admin to your Facebook page on your computer. So let's jump straight into the guide. And the first thing you'll need to do is launch up facebook.com. And then you'll need to head over to your profile icon in the top right here and select See All Profiles. Now, from these list of pages, you just need to go ahead and select the Facebook page that we want the admin user to be added to. So for this example, I'll be selecting Rolled Ice Cream Factory. Now, once you're inside of your page's admin panel, we need to just select our page name in the top left-hand. Then from the left-hand side, come over to Settings, and then once again, scroll down on the left until we come to this option for Page Setup. And then now you'll see a bunch of settings appear, and we just need to select Page Access. From here, we can see all of the users that currently have access to our Facebook page, and we can add new users as an admin here just by coming over to this Add New button, click on Next, and then you could either search by a name or email address of the user that you want to add. Once you've found the user that you want to add to your page, just select the profile, and then if you scroll down, you have the option to give this user absolute full control of your page, meaning that they can delete the page and delete other users, basically the same access as yourself. But you don't have to select this option, we can just press Give Access down here, and that way the new admin will still have privileges to create new posts, undelete new posts and such. So one thing just to note is that before the new user will have access to your page, they'll need to go to their emails and accept the verification link that will be sent by Facebook. So before they've opened this link, they will not have access to your Facebook page. So you'll need to go and tell the new user that the request for access has been sent, and they'll need to go to their email to accept this. And that's it guys, it's as simple as that. That's how you add an admin to your page on Facebook. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.